Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you that how can you install Adobe After Effects full version for free. So first of all, what you have to do, just download this file from the link in the description, and then you have to just extract this file in your desktop. Now you have to open the extracted file, and then you have to go to the setup, and now then you have to select this application and you have to install it on your PC. Now you will get this notice, and now you have to just simply ignore this. Now here you have to click on try, and then you have to accept the agreement, and then you have to sign in or sign up in the Adobe account. Once you are done, then you have to just simply install this, and you have to select the destination folder where you want to install it. Now carefully click on close. Do not click on launch now, otherwise you will mess up. Okay, click on close. Now you have to go back in the cracked DLL folder, and then you have to copy this file right here. Then go to that folder where you have installed Adobe After Effects. Then you will get two folders here, the normal CS6 one and one with 64-bit. Now you have to just open the normal Adobe After Effects CS6 folder, and then you have to just follow my steps. Congratulations guys, we just successfully installed Adobe After Effects in our system. And if this video helped you in any way, then make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.